Today, I'm going to show you how to design a food menu in MS Word. You can use this menu for your restaurant or hotel. Step 1. Create a new document. Start by opening a new blank document in Microsoft Word. Step 2. Page Setup. First, I will select a page. To select the page, I will click on the Layout tab. Then I will click on the Size option and select the A4 page size. You can also select the page size according to your choice. Next, I will set up the margins, custom margins. I will set 2.5 centimeter margins at the top, bottom, left, and right. You can adjust the margins as per your preference. Step 3. Design the background. First, I will insert a rectangle shape. To do that, go to the Insert tab, then click on Shapes and select the rectangle shape. Insert the shape, then align it to the center of the page. Next, I will resize the shape and remove its outline. Then, I'll copy and paste the shape and change the size of the pasted shape. I'll now change the fill color of the new shape. After that, I'll select the first rectangle and fill it with a restaurant image. Then I'll crop the image so that it fits perfectly inside the shape. Here, I will create something like a logo, which I'll design using MS Word shapes and text. I'll insert an oval shape, then resize it. Change its fill color and remove the outline. Next, I'll insert another shape called rectangle. Top corners snipped. I'll resize it. Change its fill color and remove the outline. Then I'll select the oval shape, right-click, and choose Bring to Front from the pop-up menu. I'll select both shapes and group them. After that, I'll apply a preset effect to the grouped shape. Now I'll insert another rectangle shape. Send it behind all objects and change its fill color. I'll also remove its outline. Next, I'll copy the red-colored rectangle shape. Then I'll insert a text box and write a sample restaurant name. I'll select a new font, increase the font size, and center align the text. Then I'll remove the fill and outline of the text box. Now I'll insert another text box and write the tagline of the restaurant. After that, I'll copy this text box and update the new one to say, since 1990. I'll select all these text boxes together and align them to the center. Then I'll group all of them together. Now I will insert a text box. I'll create a food category heading, and under it, I'll list food names and their prices. These are just sample texts. You can add your own food items here. Now I'm formatting the text as you can see on the screen. Then remove the fill and outline of the text box. I'll copy this text box and make 2 duplicates. Now I'll select all 3 text boxes and align them. Then group them. Next, I'll update the text inside them. It's time to add some delicious new items to our menu. I'll highlight them using attractive images and include their names and prices to make everything look mouthwatering and clear. For that, I inserted a rectangle shape. Then, I will change its size. Change its fill color and remove the outline. I'll copy this shape, resize it, and fill it with a food image. After inserting the image, I'll crop it so that it fits perfectly inside the shape. Next, I'll insert a text box where I'll write the name of the food item. I'll copy the text box and write the price of the item. Now I'll insert another shape called diagonal stripe. I'll change its fill color and remove its outline. On top of this shape, I'll insert a text box and write New, indicating a new food item. Then I'll group all these elements together into one block. I'll now copy this food item group. After that, I'll change the images and text accordingly. Now, I will copy this rectangle shape. Now, I will insert a text box on top of these food items, and in that box, I will write New Food Item. I'll remove the fill of the text box and change the outline color. For this heading, I'll select a new font, increase the font size, and center align it. Next, I'll insert a rectangle shape, change its fill color, and remove the outline. I'll copy this shape and place it next to the heading for decoration. These two shapes will make the heading stand out more. After that, I'll copy the upper text boxes and paste them below. Then I'll change the text inside. The design of the first page of our food menu is now complete. Now, I will design the second page of the food menu. For that, I will insert a blank page. To do that, go to the Insert tab and click on Blank Page. Then go to the View tab and select Side-by-Side View. This will allow us to see both pages next to each other. Now, I'll insert a shape called Rectangle, top corners rounded. I'll change its fill color and remove the outline. Then I'll copy this shape and send it behind the previous one. Now, I will copy the logo I created on the previous page. Now, I'm formatting the text as you can see on the screen. Next, I'll insert rectangle shape and send it behind all objects. Then I'll select the rectangle and fill it with a restaurant image. Now I'll insert another text box and write the heading Menu. Now I'm formatting the text as you can see on the screen. Then I'll insert a frame shape. Change its fill color and remove its outline. I'll send this shape behind all other objects. Next, I'll add contact details and address. For decoration, I'll insert a few line shapes. Now I will copy this rectangle shape. Our food menu design is now complete. You can now save the file as a PDF and get it printed. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and comment. See you in the next video.